and welcome to the American Dream TV network. We're your hosts. I'm Jesse Valadares, and this is my partner, Melanie Kalmer. And today, we'll be bringing you to the stunning communities of Rensenburg and West Hampton Beach, where we'll be touring an incredible new construction alongside the Director of Operations of Paramount Development Group, Steven Criscuolo.
Come and join us. Nestled along Long Island's South Shore, West Hampton Beach is a vibrant coastal village that has pristine landscapes, elegant estates, beautiful barrier beaches, exclusive yacht clubs, and has quick access to the Hamptons' best luxury attractions.
Hey guys.
Hey Steven, good to see you.
Absolutely, welcome to 21 Cedar Lane.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thanks for coming.
Can't wait to take a look around.
So Steven, one thing I really love about you guys is that this is a family organization, and it all started with your father. Can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, so 30 years ago, my father started with $12,000 with the hopes to take his family, me and my brothers, to Disney World.
Oh, wow.
And it was a great thing, and he started with his first house in Medford area, 2,000 square foot house. He sold it, and he's never looked back since. So that's how Paramount Development Group was born about 30 years ago.
So how long has it been since you've been with Paramount now?
Yeah, so when I was growing up, my dad would always take me on a Saturday or Sunday to clean some of the houses, push the broom, and do all the hard work. And then I really joined about 6 years ago, individually as a project manager, doing my own projects, managing all the guys, start to finish, from clearing the land to putting the keys in the customer's hand. We have 4 project managers now. I'm the director of field operations, so I manage all those guys and make sure they're all doing what they have to do to get the job done and get the quality correct. And then my older brother, he is in the office full time, making sure that all the estimates are correct, making sure the project coordinators are doing their thing, and making sure everything goes smooth. So when we do present to a customer, the house goes as to plan and comes in on time.
And that's really what I love about you guys. I mean, first of all, I just love that you started in all phases. Like, you started just like a regular laborer, and now you're the director of field operations.
Yeah.
So it's really amazing.
It is, because you know what, when you get to see all phases of the business and you have physical experience with it, you know how things need to be done, so it helps you direct.
A lot of people know you for your luxury homes and even some of your first-time home buyers, but you also have a commercial division, right? Tell us a little bit about that.
Yeah, so we dove into commercial just to diversify and keep the ball rolling. We have a big infrastructure that we obviously have to support. So we decided, my father actually decided about 6 years ago now, to open up a commercial division where we build medical facilities, storage facilities, and commercial buildings for several tenants, different offices, and things like that. We're slowly but surely growing that portion of the business, but it's been exciting and different for sure.
Amazing.
Will you take us on a tour?
Absolutely.
Let's see.
So this house is 7 bedrooms, 8 full baths, and 6,500 square feet of a lot of good stuff.
Wow, I love all the details, Steven. This is incredible.
The paneling and the moldings are gorgeous.
Yeah, thank you so much. We take a lot of pride in that. Funny story about this casing, actually. My father, about 15 years ago, when we dove into the Hamptons strong, he actually sat down with the manufacturer and built this knife and designed it on the computer for the machine to cut this molding. So throughout the whole entire Hamptons, you'll see this molding used. It's actually my dad's product.
So throughout the whole Hamptons, not just your construction?
Not just us, yeah. You'll see a lot of guys using
Wow,
it.
what an innovator.
Yeah.
That really speaks to your art form and what a masterpiece you're creating. It's just the details. Everything is really spectacular.
It really is.
Yeah, we like to keep all the outlets in the base molding. It keeps it, off the walls and keeps the wall a clean slate. Most of the time, we like to have the cord come up from the bottom, opposed to up from the side and then hanging. So it makes it way more sleek and kind of seamless and not really visible to the the eye.
Cool.
I love it.
Stephen, thank you so much for having us here. It is so beautiful. Your family does incredible work. Really Paramount Constructions.
Thank you so much. Thank you guys for coming.
Thank you.
We're gonna go shopping now. If you want to come with us, we'll be at West Hampton Beach.
Awesome. Well, you guys enjoy. I gotta get back to work.
All right. Keep doing what you do.
Thank you. Thank you for joining us on today's segment. We'd like to give a special thanks to Steven Criscuolo from Paramount Development Group.
And we're gonna get a bite at the Beach Bakery Grand Cafe here. So remember, always stay inspired, and we will see you next time.
Yes,
Take
please.
care.
Stay inspired.